I think we need one more set of F's in the chat. This is our fallen soldier right here. Jerome, man, what are you doing, dude? Bro, you know you've been in the car for like 4 days now, right? You can get out anytime you want. What do you still have your seatbelt on, my dude? What do you even, here, let me get that off. Hey, whoa, Jerome, chill, dude. Listen, I told you I was gonna take you in my UFO, but it exploded. What do you want me to do about it? You've never had a UFO blow up on you before? All right, well, you know what, I don't care. I'm gonna get you out of this freaking car. You're gonna like it. You need to get in the shade, dude. I don't even know what the hell, what is your skin even made out of, my guy? Okay, you know what, dude, you're so annoying. You're coming with me, Jerome, whether you like it or not. All right, buddy, you wanna sit in my Evo? I know, it's okay. You shouldn't have yelled at me. That's pretty rude. You wanna sit in my Evo or my Skyline? All right, you can sit in the Evo, that's fine. You wanna sit in the driver's seat? You can pretend like you're driving for a little bit? Dog, you can't even reach the pedals, man. I'm gonna keep building the Civic so you can take a ride in my UFO someday. We like to call it an all-wheel drive K-swap big turbo build. I don't know what the hell you guys call it over there. So, what's up, guys? Oh, just freaking... Oh, Victoria put that right there and I just destroyed my ankle on it. I'm taking out the Civic's motor today. My ankle's killing me right now. Alright, dude, it's easy. Just pull it out now. Alright, careful, bro. You got this. There you go. Dude, you're doing so good, man. You're doing so good. Dude, you're freaking killing it, man. Good job, buddy. You good with sitting here? I'll at least let the windows down for you today. We got some interesting stuff to the P.O. box. I got sent a SmokeX smoke smell remover. Gonna be using that for Uncle Jim's butt cigarettes. Student driver stickers. Those can always go to good use. Very sweet note. And of course, you know you gotta hook your boy up with the monster. Botan rice candy. I got some nice stickers that do say for rectal use only. So.
Oh, you got gloves on and everything.
That's right, baby. So we made quite the mess yesterday. The only step I need to do today is remove the motor. Removing a motor is pretty simple. As long as you disconnect the things that are 100% attached to the car, like the AC and little vacuum lines like brake booster and stuff like that, you're all good. I've got most of it off. What I do need to do is definitely disconnect the AC, all the grounds, the very last motor mount. I'm gonna get this area cleaned up a little bit because I will need to bring the cherry picker that's over there in the corner. Today we're removing the D16 and this car will never have a D16 in it ever again. So the AC is still connected. I can't reach it from here, so I've got to get the compressor off while I start pulling the motor out. Power steering disconnected. I'm pretty sure I've got all the harness done, but tell you what, little girl did good.
Stop that. I didn't know what you're...
Up and over. All right, now, lower the car all the way down. Hey!
She's up.
Yeah! Oh!
Let me see it.
You can see it now. Oh!
Wow. Look at that.
Oh my God,
You
dude,
know.
that's crazy. It just freaking sent it right through the block. It cracked the rest of it too. Like you see how like it lost all its rigidity?
Wow.
Like look at that, there's cracks all over the block. Like it broke all the way through this, all the way through that. You can see cracks everywhere. Like
The
that is
compressor just
nuts, dude.
reverberated. Wow.
So, D16 for sale, 200,000 miles,
Slightly damaged.
fresh oil change.
Slightly used. There we go.
Slightly used. So like my vision for this is to do a shave, and oh my God, all these lines here, like I'm gonna have to, well, I have to get rid of the AC first. I have to get rid of that and then take all this crap out. I'm working with Hotsport to get new mounts and transmission stuff for the K series, but that's gonna be, this is gonna be a whole entire project in itself. Like, this is gonna be a lot of work. All the hoses gotta go, all the AC stuff's gotta go, and I'm gonna basically just shave and try and tuck the engine bay as best as possible. This, I have a lot I can do with this. Guys, look at this turbo. Guys, 30 freaking PSI in the Shanghai Spinny Boy, and she's just doing just fine. It's crazy to me. I'm not gonna be reusing this clutch. I'll keep it as a spare if I have to, but I should not have to reuse this clutch. I'm gonna take apart most of the motor. I'll keep the manifold. I might actually use this exact manifold, but get a different exhaust made for the next turbo. I need to go ahead and unbox the turbo kit. I actually have it. So that's gonna be one of the next things you'll see. We'll actually be able to get started on that finally. But yeah, let's go ahead. I guess I need to get the turbo kit off of this and tear some pieces off and then go ahead and throw this motor away. Oh, you get a really clear look now at the damage, dude. That's crazy, man. That is absolutely, what a unit. What a unit this little guy is, man. 600 bucks, and we just blow the smithereens out of a D16. So bad news is we didn't quite live up to the Kung Pao Cam Crusher name. Good news is we've got a lot of spare parts just in case we blow up another D16. So I'll keep all this stuff around. Everything seems to look okay. I'm gonna go ahead and get my Earthquake Ugga Ugga boy and get the head off. Moment of truth. Looks like we've got, this piston got destroyed.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sometimes it happens because of the piston ring. I mean, there's a lot of things that could have happened here. I think that like it was just too weak and the rod just said, nah. That's pretty nasty. Like the wrist pin, so this is where the wrist pin goes through. And the rod,
that's the piece
the rod
that we have,
connects
okay.
right there.
Yeah.
So what happens is literally the rod, there's so much boost in there and it was moving so quickly and accelerating at such a pace with so much pressure that it literally had no choice but to just
Disintegrate.
bust. It had to disintegrate. It had to break.
So I'm gonna look.
Crazy. And then so what happened was after this, basically what happens is after this breaks apart, this stays here basically. The rod comes down and it just bounces out until it can finally release and
Go somewhere.
exit.
This is what I want to look at.
So the cylinder wall should be pretty just like bad. Actually, it's not awful.
At the bottom, there's a little.
Oh yeah, no, never mind. I mean, like, there's a chunk of the sleeve missing at the very bottom. Like,
My side?
Yeah. There's a chunk of that sleeve missing. I mean, it really, something was bound to happen really bad. This is a definite save again for the next motor because this was, you know, 100 bucks to make. So I'll save myself some money there. And I will need the flywheel for the manual swap. I'll need that kind of stuff, but I won't have to do much more than that. Just new flywheel and then new clutch on that car. I think we need one more set of F's in the chat.
This is what we should put next to the Subaru one.
This is our fallen soldier right here. It got so hot though, it also just melted. It not only broke, but it melted. Or like something just got so, I mean, that's a lot of force. I mean, like, and it even bounced around up here.
Wow.
Oh, damn. And actually, I think it bounced up so high, you can see, I think it hit a valve. It hit both of the valves. Pretty bad. That's fun. I feel like a really proud dad right now. My son did a really good job. He tried his best, but he sucks. I'm still proud of him. Spent a little bit of time cleaning up. The garage is nasty. I'm gonna have to spend a bit in here to get it all looking nice. But there we go, EJ's on the lift. The motor is out. Actually, one more update for you guys. I wanna show you guys the head. You can, go ahead, guess what cylinder died the most? Actually, two of them look terrible, but this guy. Uh-oh. All right, that works. The exhaust valve is actually bent, and then the intake valve is literally chipped off. So the piston, like I was saying earlier, actually came up and hit the intake valves when it was supposed to not be. And so I think this exhaust valve is now bent and stuck open. So this head is no good. I mean, the valves are no good. The head is probably okay, but either way, she's going in the dumpster. I don't know what in the world I'm gonna do with all this. I guess just throw it away. Maybe bring it to a junkyard. But if anybody wants this, I don't want you to get it, but you can. But I'm so proud of what this little D16 did. To be honest, I think this motor was just in horrible condition before we even started. So I genuinely think, sorry, I'm really dirty and gross, but I genuinely think that next time we're gonna have a good shot. This D16 seems to be in really good condition, so I think we're gonna have a good shot at success. Everybody say farewell, capital F, to the D16. So I gotta let you guys know, I'm at the point in life to where I'm old enough to where my grandparents are starting to get old enough to start having some big problems. We lost one a couple months ago, and that's why I had to stay off for a little bit, and now we got another in hospice care right now. So I will keep you guys posted. I will try to do my best. Obviously family comes first, but I'm still gonna do my best to keep making a couple videos this week. But just so you guys know, if I miss a video or two in the next couple weeks, like we have a lot of family flying in town and staying with us, so I might not be able to make as much videos. I know you guys are understanding of that, but I just want to let you guys know, give you a heads up. I want to encourage you guys today. My daily advice for you guys is you are not defined by what others call you or what others say about you or say to you. Growing up, people told me that I would not be able to make it through school, I wouldn't be able to graduate college, and that I wouldn't be successful in life. And I'm not saying that I am by any means, but you know, I took that as motivation and I finished college. I got a bachelor's degree in finance. Very hard, one of the hardest things I've ever done. And now I am having a blast, and we got 600,000 people being a part of my life story. And I want you guys to know that you are not defined. Not only what people say about you, but you're not defined by your obstacles either. What you are defined as is the person who overcomes your own obstacles and what people say about you. Challenge you today to believe in yourself and to overcome the obstacles in your life. I want you to understand that you guys are loved, you're special, and you have a purpose. Peace out. I'll see you guys soon. Hey, not to break the mood, but you guys need to watch both of those videos right in front of your face. One's a Skyline video, which I know some of you guys haven't been able to watch. The other one's a Honda video. You wanna watch it again? I know you do, because it's exploding Hondas. Everybody likes that.